Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a CJ dropshipping tutorial and review for 2025. We will be covering its features, how it actually works step by step, plus the pros and cons so that you could know if it is right for your dropshipping business. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you can click on the link that is given in the description. It is going to redirect you here on the official website of CJDropshipping.com. Now, CJ Dropshipping is a platform that actually connects your online store with the suppliers in China and worldwide. It lets you import the products directly to Shopify, WooCommerce, or other platforms without holding the inventory. If I talk about the key features that it provides, so here you can click on the option of solutions here in the top. Then first of all, you are going to get the option of product sourcing. So with the help of this option, you will be able to search thousands of products or request custom sourcing. Then you can find the option of click one click import. With the Shopify applications, you will be able to import the products straight into your store. Then you can see the option of order fulfillment. So with the help of it, when a customer order, CJ ships directly to them, handling the packaging and the delivery. Then we have the option of the custom branding. With the help of it, you can add the logo, the packaging and inserts to stand out. It is also going to give you the option of the warehouse worldwide, which is useful for faster shipping from US and European warehouses for some of the products. For example, let's say you come here on CJ dropshipping. Over here, you search for, let's say, phone. Then you are able to find the phone over here. You can also search for phone cases. Then you can add it on your store and set up the price in your Shopify store. When someone buys, CJ ships it directly to your customers. So if I talk about the pros and cons, what I like about this platform is that it has huge product catalog with flexible sourcing. The cost is very lower as compared to the AliExpress. The branding and the packaging options are also great, and it gives you the integration with Shopify and other platforms. Now, there are some of the cons too which you need to consider, like the shipping can still be slow depending on the supplier. The dashboard feels very overwhelming for the beginners. The customer support can be hit or a miss during busy times. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.